All right, I just received this. It's a professional body-worn camera, which you see on people's uniforms. And yeah, so now we just gotta figure out how to get it out of here. Here we go. Let me just show you the top of it. That's the box, right? So let me take that out of there. And so this looks pretty nice, I gotta say. I'm very interested in trying this out. I think it's gonna be very, very cool. So let's go ahead and pop her out of here. So the first thing is you've got the unit itself. Comes in this little package. And oh, wow, look at this. That is nice. It's 128 gigabyte, okay? It's 128 gigabyte. It's got a little clip thing here. I think there's gonna be a clipper that we put on it. Of course, you've got to peel these off of your, the lens and your little screen in the back. So now that's done. And then it just says it's got, on here it says 128 gigabytes. Now I'm not sure whether I have a card in it. I think it's internal. Wow, that's pretty good because I don't see a card slot on it as I'm rotating it. Oh, wait a minute, down here. What's that? We've got something here. Oh yeah, there's a card slot in there. And I don't know if we're supposed to take that off of there or not. Maybe like it's professional, you got to keep it on. So I'll put it back on. But there is a card in there, all right? So I'm not an officer of the court, so I'm not really worried about it because, I'm not going around recording stuff. But we're going to try it out and see how it works. Let's see what else is in the box, okay? So it says Body Camera User's Manual. What's really cool about this is it comes with its own block. It's a USB-A, right? So I'm imagining that we've got, right there is a USB-A to C. So to charge it, it goes USB-C. So I have USB-C already set up on a block. So I can go ahead and plug this in if I want. And the charging port is right here. So I just have to open it. And on the one side, there's a little thing you pull back, right? See how I did that? Yeah, you just pull it back. And then we can just shove that in there. Okay, now, oh, look at that. All right, BFTD. Oh, look at it. It's already looking at me. Hey, what's up? So yeah, there it is. Check it out. So that is the screen looking right at me. Now, we're going to have to do a little bit of investigation to make sure that we know what we're doing. But I've got two green things here, so that may mean that the battery is pretty good. But if you look here, you're going to see the battery's definitely charging. So let's just let that charge and look what else is in the box. All right, it comes with this clip. Remember I showed you the back of it had it had like an area where you would attach this. All right, get her out of here. Oh, geez, a beat. There we go. All right, so yeah, see this part right here? This would attach on the back of it here, I believe, like this. You see that? And then this clip here, you can put it on your shirt. Whoops, screwed that up, didn't I? I probably shouldn't have this plug. Let's unplug this for now, and we'll just kind of go through it because there's a little bit of a charge on it. So if you look, the entrance is from this side. So I'm thinking I've got to slide it down this way to get the clip on, like this. Oh, that's it right there. Now it's on. And I think it swings up so you can look. So that's kind of cool, right? And also you could probably clip it, like this. But I think it's going to be clipped like this, right? Somewhere on your uniform or your body. And then bam, you're ready to go. Somewhere where it's sturdy, because this is beefy, man. I'm not kidding you. It's a beefy product. This is not like a cheap plastic camera, let me tell you. So yeah, all right, so we got that on there, right? that's how that works. Let's go ahead and plug the thing back in because I want to get it fully charged. So I'm just going to leave the clip on, and then we'll try it when we go out. I might use it on my bike and see how that works. You know, go down to the beach and do a video. All right, so that's that. Now, you can also, look at this. You can also put this on your car. Oh man, this is so compact. That's what I like about it. All those car dashboard videos are just so darn, like, they're bulky and heavy and you got to plug them in. This one you charge up, and look, you just snap it right on your thing, and then here's your connector, just like that other one, and you can put your camera right there, bam, and you've got, you know, here, let me show you. So this moves around, yeah, and you can lock it down, right? And so you can change the style of where it's going. Once you put it on the dashboard, you'd pull this down, just like that, right? And then this, I think, would have to go like, well, we have to figure it out. Let's see. Oh yeah, because you can turn this. So you can, yeah, it'll work. No matter what, you're gonna be able to get the camera on there, and you can put it right on your dashboard. So now you're driving around, you got a dashboard camera. Bam, you're done. And then just put it right on your car. So that's kind of cool. One other thing. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. So this is another thing that for uniforms, I think. Oh, look, yeah, look at this. This is a smaller clip, all right? So take a look. Yeah. So that's interesting, right? But I got to tell you, man, it's tight. It's really tight. So anyway, so you got those. Basically you got three things that you can hook it to, you know, your outfits, your clothing, or your car. So that's pretty cool. So now we just got to let her charge up. Let's take a look. If you look, you'll see the battery right there. You see how it's rolling through? So it's charging. So we'll let it charge, and then later on we'll do the functions on it. But that's the unboxing, and I'm thinking that this is going to be quite an interesting item to try and use. So yeah, I think I'm going to like it. And you can get it right here on the link in the detail page. All right, peace out.